Okay, so previously we saw the character view, character model. Now we're going to actually put um, images onto the canvas basically, okay? So the first thing I want to do is I want to create a new package. So new Java package. I'm going to call this um, icons, okay? So this is where I'm going to put my images. And it just so happens that I got this quite good thing from Humble Bundle a while ago. Got a lot of different characters on. Okay, so I'm going to choose this dude. He looks cool, so I'm going to drag him over. I'm going to drag him into icons. Okay, so look there. He's now there. Okay, so that's how you get an image in. I'm going to do that 2 more times just so that I don't have to do it later. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do this dude. So the one thing I need to do now to save myself a lot of headache is to rename those images. Okay, I'm going to change them. In fact, yeah, I'm going to rename them. Okay, so the way we do it: refactor, rename. So I'm going to change this to 0. I'm going to change the next one to 1. Oh, didn't even do it. Never mind. Do it again. Rename to 1. And then change that one to 2. Okay. 2. Refactor. So 3 images in there. 0 to 2 because array start at 0, not 1. Okay. We could get around it by basically doing 1 to 3 and then minus and 1, but I don't see the point in that. Okay. So add an image. We'll label. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click this and I'm going to change the variable name. Okay, I'm going to call this image icon. No, I'm not going to call it image icon. I'll confuse us later. I'm going to call it image. Okay. So back in our randomize, what we're going to do, actually no, sorry, not back in the randomize, back in the character model, we're going to create a public image icon and call it icon. Okay, so alt and enter to import that. Make sure it's javax.swing.imageIcon, not anything else. Don't create a class. Never create a class if you're importing something, okay, because that'll mess everything up. So we've got our icon. We need to actually initialize it now, okay, in our public character model. So what we do is icon, this dot icon equals new image icon. Okay, that's how we do it first. However, inside there we need to do this dot get class dot get resource, I think it is. Yep, get resource, and in there we need to put the location. Okay, so that's the base location, so that's a slash. Okay, so source is slash, then it's icons slash again, and for the purpose of this I'm going to put it as 0.png. okay, so that's now set. But I'll open this. 512 by 512, that's how big that is. But I want it to be 300 by 452. Okay, so there's 2 things I can do. I can change all of my layout to be 500 by 500. Okay, which is perfectly fine. But what happens if I download another image? It's 1024 by 500. It's going to mess everything up. Okay. The other thing to do is to modify it here. Okay. So what we'll do is this dot icon equals, sorry, no, we don't. Sorry, this dot icon dot set image, and then inside here, what we're going to do is we're going to get scaled image, scaled instance. Okay, so it's this dot icon dot get image dot get scaled instance. Okay, so its instance comes with three arguments. Okay, we've got width, height, and hints. Okay, so I press enter on that. Width will be 300 because that's what I said back here. 300 by 452. Okay, so 300, 452, and the last part is a little bit more confusing. Okay, so this is how you want Java to draw this image. Okay, so it's image dot scale smooth. I always put. Okay, so it just makes it look nicer. Okay, and that part is done. Okay, so let's try it. Hope this works. Generate. Why doesn't it work? Because we haven't set it. Okay, that's my bad. That. So back in randomize. Last thing we need to do is this dot icon image even sorry dot set icon. What am I doing? Set icon, and then it's sorry, where was that? CM dot icon. Okay, so let's give that another try. Generate. It's still not working. My bad again. Forgot one more thing. Icon level 4 tilted text vertical alignment. Actually, you know what? I was gonna stop the video and then try to fix it, but it might actually be better off if we don't. Okay, so vertical alignment, we'll do bottom. Okay, and then we'll see what's wrong with it. Okay, so cm.set icon. And we'll check this. This dot image dot not add icon dot no, this is okay. Let's see what's wrong with it. Let's see if anything actually pops up. 1 second. Public image icon, this dot get image, get field